Every great chip begins in the soil, long before it ever reaches a factory. Thousands of potatoes arrive daily, fresh from the harvest. At the factory gates, the transformation begins. Powerful jets of water wash away every trace of soil. Clean and ready, the potatoes move deeper into the process. In seconds, rough skins give way to smooth, golden flesh.
Precision blades slice each potato into perfectly even layers.
Every slice is cut to the exact same thickness, every single time. Now comes the transformation. Raw slices meet the sizzling oil.
Golden bubbles signal the chips are cooking to perfection.
Freshly fried and golden, the chips move on to cool and drain. A fine mist of seasoning coats every chip with bold flavor.
Every chip passes under careful inspection before moving forward.
Robotic precision aligns each chip into a perfect stack. Uniform, golden, and consistent. Craftsmanship at scale.
Each stack finds its place inside the iconic tube.
Dozens of machines work in perfect rhythm, tube after tube. A tight seal locks in freshness, flavor, and crunch. Vibrant labels give each tube its final identity. Robotic arms pack each tube with speed and precision. Ready for the world. Pallet by pallet, box by box. From soil to shelf, a single tube holds a world of craftsmanship. That satisfying pop promises the perfect crunch inside. Every chip tells a story of precision, care, and craftsmanship.